My dear children, today in this module, we are going to study the term stock exchange and its important functions. A stock exchange is also known as secondary market or stock market. A stock exchange is an institution which provides platform for trading of existing securities having long-term maturity. The important features of stock exchange or stock market are: it is run by an association, body of individuals or organizations. It specifies a location at which the relevant securities are traded. Stock exchange assists and regulates trading of securities. Its area of operation is well defined. It works as per the guidelines issued by the Securities and Exchange Board of India. The important functions of stock exchange are: first one, providing liquidity to securities; second point, pricing of securities; third point, safety of transactions; then contribution to economic growth, and spreading of equity cult and providing scope for speculation. These are the important functions of stock market or stock exchange. The important function of stock exchange is to provide liquidity to securities. A stock exchange provides liquidity to existing securities. The liquidity is provided by facilitating trading of securities. Therefore, investors are attracted to invest in such securities for higher returns. The basic function of the stock exchange is to provide liquidity and marketability to existing securities. It is a ready market for conversion of securities into cash and vice versa. It gives a chance to investors to disinvest and reinvest. Second important function of stock exchange is pricing of securities. It is the main function of the stock exchange. Stock exchange fixes the prices for shares trading on it. It is a platform which determines the intrinsic value of securities. The intrinsic value of security is its real value, which may differ from issue price of the security. This intrinsic value is determined by demand and supply pattern of the security. Share prices on a stock exchange are determined by the forces of demand and supply. Third important function of stock exchange is safety of transactions. Stock exchange ensures safety of transactions of securities. Members of stock exchange through whom transactions take place are well regulated by the concerned stock exchange. Next important function of stock exchange is contribution to economic growth. A stock exchange contributes to the economic growth by enabling existing investors to sell their securities and prospective investors to buy the securities. Through this process of disinvestment and reinvestment, funds are ultimately directed to productive use, which leads to economic growth. This process also leads to capital formation because of increase in price of securities over a period of time. Spreading of equity cult is the another function of stock exchange. A stock exchange develops equity cult on investors, that is, developing interest of the investors to invest in capital market securities. This can be done by ensuring better trading practices and taking steps for educating public about investment. Providing scope for speculation, this is the another function of stock exchange. It has been accepted that reasonable degree of speculation is necessary in stock exchange to ensure liquidity and price continuity in the securities. Stock exchange provides scope for fair and regulated speculations. Providing liquidity to securities, pricing of securities, safety of transactions, contribution to economic growth, spreading of equity cult, and providing scope for speculation. These are the important functions of stock exchange.